All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're taking a look at Daniel's Matco JCS 773. This is an updated version of the cart I've got, and they've made some changes, hopefully for the better. Structurally, it's supposed to be beefier, but this is a tour of his box. All right, up top, we got a magnetic cup from Cornwell, panel clip tool, driver bit, a CV axle staking tool for Toyotas, some more driver bits, speaker so he's got tunes. He also has another Bluetooth here. All right, he's got the side shelf with a couple magnetic trays, coffee cup. All right, he's got over here, he's got Allen sockets, triple squares, inverted Torx, brake loop, a leave, B12, Cobalt, half-inch drive impact sockets. Be nice, make sure and put it back so the number's out. 3/8 and deep, shallow and deep, all Cobalt. He's got 1/4-inch Cobalt set down here, or part of a set at least. He's got Matco impact swivels over here in 3/8. A Cornwell pry bar set, a Cobalt breaker bar. Number 3 and number 4 vessel impactor screwdrivers, Cobalt screwdrivers, along with a set of Torx sticks. All right, first drawer down, he's got his Cobalt half-inch drive torque wrench. He hand torques all of his wheels. He's got a Cobalt 3/8 flex head, which is almost brand new because I broke his last one trying to help him out. Gear wrench set of ratchets, flex head, Cobalt extension, oil filter sockets. Full set, except one he broke, of the Blue Power locking extensions from Cornwell. All right, next drawer down, he's got his brake caliper turnback tool, his Lang caliper press tool, slide glide, a little hook tool, pair of groove joint pliers, channel locks. All right, next drawer down, he's got punches and chisels, his Cobalt die grinder, accessories for his die grinder, some 3-bond, power probe, temperature gauge for valve stems for TPMS, oil filter gaskets, an adapter for the brake flush machine, wheel stud installer, hood latches, Cornwell pick set, block off kits, some Teflon tape, Cobalt precision screwdriver set, and mini plier set, cutter set, safety glasses. All right, next drawer down, full set of gear wrench up to 24mm ratcheting, non-reversible, snap-on PWZ1 pipe wrench, wire strippers, Cobalt selection of pliers and cutters, Cobalt adjustable wrenches. All right, next drawer down, he has this pass-through set of gear wrench sockets that are, pass-through for doing struts, that kind of thing. He's got a Matco axle nut impact socket set. He's got a gear wrench serpentine belt tool kit. Gear wrench, spark plug socket set, and a belt tool for stretch belts. All right, next drawer down. Are you sensing a theme with the Cobalt? He's got a full selection of Cobalt electric tools, along with an air impact, big old hammer, bit set over there, a set of drill bits and other bits from Cobalt. In case he wants to do some home improvement around the shop. All right, bottom drawer, he has the master set of coolant adapters from Cornwell, along with the Cornwell coolant pressure tester, and he has the Cornwell brake vacuum filler. He's a young technician just getting into this business, so be easy on him. He's building his collection. He's buying tools. This is a recent purchase, this cart for him. He was working out of a Cobalt box. So, pretty good setup. Oh, yeah, on the side, he has a tire filler and gauge from Cobalt and a fender cover. So, I hope you like this tour of his cart. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out new videos. Didn't like this video? You didn't like his cart? Give Daniel a thumbs down. Are you happy now? And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.